Welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Stephanie Koempel, and in today's video, we're diving into a topic that might feel a little unconventional, the spirituality of money. Now, you might be wondering, what does money have to do with spirituality? Well, you might be surprised because money isn't just about earning, saving, or spending. It's about energy, intention, and mindset. So let's explore how you can bring a spiritual perspective into your relationship with wealth. When most people think about money, they think about the tangible things, bills, coins, bank accounts. But here's the thing, money is actually a form of energy. Money, like everything in the universe, vibrates at a certain frequency. It flows where there is an exchange of value, and it can be influenced by your beliefs, feelings, and intentions. So when you think about money as energy, it becomes clear that your relationship with it, how you feel about it, how you attract it, and how you use it can shape your financial reality. The more you align your thoughts and actions with abundance, the more likely you are to attract prosperity. Let's talk about intention, a powerful force in the spiritual world. When it comes to money, intention is everything. It's not just about having a high-paying job. It's about setting clear, positive intentions around what you want money to do in your life. This goes far beyond just material desires. Think about it in this way. When you set an intention, you're guiding the flow of energy. When you want to attract wealth, you don't just ask for more money. You ask for the opportunities, resources, and mindset that will allow you to have that money flow to you. Now, it's also about the energy behind your actions. For example, when you spend money, ask yourself, is this aligned with my values? Am I using this money to create positive change, to grow, or to nurture abundance? When your intentions are in harmony with your actions, you begin to notice a shift in the way money flows into your life. Now let's talk about mindset. Your mindset plays a huge role in how you experience money. You've probably heard of the concept of scarcity mindset, the belief that there is never enough, that money is limited, and that you have to compete for it. But here's the thing, this mindset blocks the flow of money. So when you constantly operate from a place of fear or scarcity, you're creating energetic blocks. It's like trying to swim against the current of a river. It's exhausting and doesn't get you anywhere. On the other hand, an abundance mindset, it embraces the idea that there is always enough. So when you believe that there are infinite opportunities for wealth and prosperity, you open yourself up to new possibilities. You start to see money as a tool for good rather than a source of stress or worry. So when you adopt an abundance mindset, you align yourself with the flow of energy that brings more opportunities and resources into your life. It's about trust, the trust that money can come to you in unexpected and magical ways when you remain open and positive. Money is a tool. It's a means to an end, not the end itself. In a spiritual context, money can be used to create positive change in your life and in the world around you. Money can be a force for good. It's about how you use it that truly matters. So think of it this way. Money in itself isn't inherently good or bad. It's what you do with it that gives it meaning. So when you use your financial resources to live in alignment with your highest values, you begin to experience money as a tool for growth, connection, and positive transformation. One of the most powerful practices you can incorporate into your financial life is gratitude. Feeling thankful for the money you have, even if it's not as much as you like, can change the way it flows into your life. Gratitude shifts your energy. When you feel grateful for the abundance you already have, you signal to the universe that you're ready for more. It's like opening a door to let more wealth and prosperity enter your life. So gratitude also helps you focus on what's truly important in your financial journey, like the freedom, opportunities, and growth that money can bring. Gratitude is about appreciating the journey and the resources that come your way. So to wrap it up, money is much more than just currency. It's an energy and a tool and a vehicle for change. So by shifting your mindset, setting clear intentions, practicing gratitude, and using money with purpose, you can transform your financial reality and create abundance in every area of your life. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share it with anyone who might need a little spiritual shift in their relationship with money. And as always, stay magical, and may the wealth flow to you.